BEST Robotics stands for Boosting Engineering, Science, and Technology. That robotics competition involves an engineering notebook, a robot game competition, trade show booth, marketing presentation, and that's been going on at Starkville High School for 9 years now, going into year 10 this fall. And then we also have SeaPerch Robotics, which is an underwater robotics competition, and that's been going on for about 5 years at Starkville.
And one of the things I'm most proud of personally as a coach and a father is the opportunities that this program gives to girls. Sometimes when you talk to the young kids, the girls are a little intimidated. We make a very strong concerted effort to pull the girls in and say, hey, look, there is nothing to be intimidated about STEM, about engineering, about science, technology, math, that you can do this. And one of the most rewarding aspects of my job is watching them just unlock and discover their potential. And then when later on, when they graduate and they walk across the stage and they say, thank you, you know, I'm gonna be an engineer. That is, or, you know, whatever they're gonna be. I mean, they don't have to be an engineer, but we make a lot of female engineers in this room.
There's the engineering design process, and the engineering design process allows you to take the scientific method and the engineering process and apply it to everyday things. And so I think that BEST in general has taught me to take the science and the math and to be able to actually apply it. It's something you can't really learn in classrooms as well as I mean, you can, but it's a lot harder than when you're actually sitting down and doing it. And so it kind of helped me see the overall picture.
The BEST Robotics program has helped prepare me for college in the real world because I am planning on majoring in STEM. So getting to see the engineering design process and how it takes a lot of trial and error to work through things to create different ideas has really helped me prepare for what I plan to do in the future.
This is a life-changing program for kids, and we've seen it over and over just generate a positive impact for the future of a child. We had a girl that came through this program, and when she started as a freshman, she did not want anything to do with math or science. She was afraid of it. And she ended up earning a presidential scholarship to Mississippi State, and she's an industrial engineering major right now. She'll graduate next year.
Robotics seemed really interesting, and I knew some people on the team who really enjoyed it, so I decided to try it out to see if I'd enjoy it too, and I did. Sometimes things won't always go your way, and you'll have to have a backup plan or know how to keep a calm head and still deal with the problem.
I enjoy going to the competitions to see our students participate because the climate is like out of this world. The students are competitive, they're cheering everybody on and just watching the leaderboard, and of course we're the best, so we fluctuate up and down as far as the rankings throughout the competition, so the energy is just wild and the kids are really into it. And you see a variety of students. You see students who may seem to slack a little bit in school, and that kind of motivates them to do better because of the expectations with the club.
Well, SeaPerch underwater robotics is a really neat program. It's not the same as BEST Robotics, but we do SeaPerch in the spring, BEST in the fall. SeaPerch is underwater robotics, so that they will have you will design an underwater remotely operated vehicle to solve a real-world simulated problem, like fixing a broken oil rig that's leaking oil, and you'll have to find a way to design a plug and then apply it underwater and to shut off the valve or whatnot.
I just can't say enough how much this is impacting these students, BEST and SeaPerch, because if I had had something like this when I was in junior high or high school, and someone had told me as a female that I could become an engineer, I might have become an engineer. Don't let anybody ever tell you that you can't do whatever you want to do, if you're willing to work hard enough.